There was once a time when I looked real good, then I had no rust eating all my hood. I was new and clean and lovely, walks and all. But then some time passed and I just grew old. Never had a crash, but I grew some mold. Looking ugly, I lost the will to roll. Few years went by and I caught some dust. By this time my engine was starting to rust. I was out of luck, I felt like crying. Then one day I decided to go out for a change, fearing other cars would look at me strange. But I thought seeking repairs was well worth trying. Now don't be worried, I will get some fixing, honey. And before you know it, I'll be clean, pretty and running. And I went to the shop so I could get a makeover. Didn't care about the time it would take to recover. I was now determined to look my best. They removed all the rust and some papered me nice. Feeling good, feeling smooth, got me feeling relaxed. A fresh coat of paint and then some rest. Then they changed all my tires, got me back on my feet. Also polished my headlights for the nights on the streets. Walks from hood to trunk, I felt brand new. They took care of my windshield, man, they left it so clean. And they got me new wipers, nicest I've ever seen. Looking sharp as ever, my self-esteem grew. So don't be worried, I am getting fixed now, honey. And before you know it, I'll be clean, pretty and running. Now I'm looking real handsome, all the girls wanna ride. And I look for excuses just to go out and drive. Life is good and I feel young again. With my engine on rev and clean as it's ever been, I could drive through the country and my always stay clear. Feeling this good, hope it has no end. I'll take care of myself, I'll be careful this time. Getting frequently checked up so I can stay in my prime. And take 360 videos where I go. Looking real good like this makes me feel so free. I just wanna keep driving, I got nowhere to be. Why don't you just get behind me and come along? And don't be worried, cause I got some fixing, honey. And now just look at me, you'll see I'm clean, I'm pretty and running. I look like a classic, I like it.